Thank you all for tuning into my channel, Kiki's Beauty World. So today's video is going to be about me doing a review on Take Me Back to Brazil. Okay, so if you want to know how these beautiful colors look in this palette, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we will be working with this palette, Take Me Back to Brazil. This palette has 35 pigmented colors. As you can see, there's many colors in this palette. They have a variety of pink, pinkish, and then it goes down to like orangish, and then reddish, and then yellow, green, blue, navy blue, and purple, and lavender. And then they also have white eyeshadow and black eyeshadow, and a mirror. Design of this palette, it's cute. It's like a lady dressed in like carnival, in a carnival outfit. Alright y'all, so I will be demonstrating with my arm. I will start with the first two rows. Did you see that better? Okay, let's turn it that way. Okay. This is nice. This look more like a fuchsia pink. Wow, look at that. That is so beautiful. This is a orange, like a really dark orange, like a tangerine orange. It's kind of reddish too. That's pretty. This one, they don't have names, so I'm just describing them the best color that I can think of. This one has shimmer in it. It's a shimmer eyeshadow. This one looks kind of orange brownish. It's really pretty. I would definitely mix this orange one with the shimmer orange one. You see that? That is pretty. Okay, so that is the first two rows. I'm going to clean this up and then we'll get to the next two rows. Alright, let's do the next two rows. We're going to start with yellow. Oh, this is pretty. This next color is orange. Oh, that's really pretty. And it blends so smooth, like so easy. There's no fallback, no kickback, whatever you want to call it. Alright, this orange is like a highlighter orange. Alright, and then this next color is it looks like a shimmer eyeshadow, goldish. Yeah. This is a gold shimmer color. It's really pretty. Ooh, this can go on as a highlighter. This color is like a lime green color. This is another yellow color. That's pretty. Alright, this next color is, it looks like, it's like a doodoo green gold. It's a shimmer eyeshadow. What y'all think? Ooh, I wish I had longer arms. Or I would probably wish I was an octopus. Because oof, my little short arms is not long enough. Alright, let's try to fit some more colors on my arm. Pretty. This one is like a lime green. See how I keep applying more color to it and it just stays? Alright. This color looks like a mint color. Oh, but it has shimmer in it though. It's a green shimmer color. That's a pretty green. Alright. Could I fit more? My arm hurts. Okay. Let's fit this one on there. I'll do it sideways. Nope, barely can see that. Alright, so I'm gonna clean my arm up. Alright, y'all. Let's get to the blue. Wow. Look at that. That is lovely. Wow, I didn't even have to put much on my finger. This is nice. Oh my gosh, I love this palette already. This is a shimmer green. Pretty blue. Like a deep sea blue. Okay, this one maybe it looked purple, but I don't know. It looks purple, bluish. This one you have to keep packing color on if you want it to be darker, to be pigmented. Okay, the next one Looks like it's blue and it have a little bit of shimmer in it. Alright, let's get to the last row. This is my purple. Wow, that's pretty. This one is pretty. I actually like this one. That's a nice purple. Alright, this one looks like a lavender purple. It's a really light purple. Alright, so there you go, guys. There you have it. I want to say my favorite, like, I want to point out a few favorites that I really liked it. I liked it, the pink one, the orange one, and this one. It's like a mint or a turquoise blue. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then this blue one at the last row, the second and the last row. Alright, y'all, there you have it. Alright, y'all, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know if which color was your favorite color in this palette. Also, let me know if this video was helpful to you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Ciao.